about short films, but we're certainly not getting the short end of the stick when it comes to talent this evening. And one of the trinity of talent, really, of Ranbir, Alia, and of course Imtiaz is here with us this evening. Imtiaz, a special evening for more reasons than one, I think. Do you think that short films sometimes get the short end of the stick, like I was saying?
Yeah, I think at this time short films need support. Ultimately, I think short films are going to do a lot to support the film industry, the Bombay film industry, by providing a new talent, new thought, and new concepts. And I think it's a great opportunity for people, especially who are new to the industry, to make films because it doesn't need that kind of budget.
Yeah.
To show themselves and the others what they are capable of. So, हमारा movie doing शुरुआत का interval is a great idea. I hope that they keep doing it again and again and showcasing short films. I'm sure that a lot of talent is going to come out from here.
Absolutely. And you know, you're a man who obviously knows a little something about talent. You managed to bring it out in a lot of people. And two of the, your talented proteges, so to speak, in many ways, Ranbir and Alia, are both here this evening. Or Ranbir is going to be here in a bit. We know that both of them are going to be acting together also. Were you somewhere instrumental in bringing these two creative forces together? Some are saying it's like a loyalty program.
Not at
Work
all.
with Imtiaz and that happens for you.
No. In fact, it's right here that I met Alia for the first time after she'd grown up. And the guy who's been telling me to meet her has always been Ranbir. So it's perhaps the other way around. And then when I met Alia, I kind of wanted to take her in Highway and not in the movie that I'd be making with Ranbir later, which is now. But so he's the one, I guess, instrumental rather than the other way around. And but I deeply admire both of them.
Absolutely. We were talking to Alia earlier and we said, Alia has made no secret about the fact that she absolutely loves Ranbir.
Yeah.
And the fact is sometimes if you're awestruck by a co-star, do you think it can get in the way of a performance perhaps, or what advice do you have for her on that?
I think both Alia and Ranbir are natural actors.
Yeah.
So when they'll be performing, it's like Kareena, when they are going to be performing, they will not be thinking anything that they might as personal as people think. They might be awestruck or whatever, or angry or happy. But when they are acting, nothing will operate. I think Alia will not even know who she's talking to, except for the fact that the character.
They get so engrossed in the character. And my final question, how is Corsica? You're looking tanned and very happy. Are you happy to be back in the madness of Bombay?
It's always a little bit of you got to prepare yourself, for coming into the city where you live and work. Corsica was an exceptional place. We are very lucky to have spent this time there. It's a very alternate place also. I think the tourism industry is going to now boom in the next coming few years.
And film-wise?
Film-wise, no, I can't. I'm always very confused about have I done well or not, honestly. And I've realized not to tell lies to the press, because then you confuse yourself. So I don't know how it's turned out. I hope it's turned out well. But Corsica in itself was fascinating and fantastic for us. It gave us much more than I would have expected.
Well, thank you for being honest as always, Imtiaz, and I hope you have a great evening. Thank you so much.